I'm going to show you how to set up products in MotorDesk, which is under the sales menu, product. These can be sold separately or attached to invoices. So if we do vehicle warranty, it automatically generates a code for you, but you can choose your own code. Depends how you want to organize it. And you can add a description as well. You can choose whether you want them available on invoices, purchase invoices, or the online deal builder checkout. And then you can also choose whether they're editable or not. Having this enabled makes them a little more flexible, so you can change the name, the description, and the price each time you want to sell it. Then you can simply enter the price and click add product. You'll notice that because we made it editable, these product options are not available. So if we change this to being non-editable, we can add options. So this might be, let's say warranty 1. Then we can do 1 year warranty, and that could be the 200. Then you can add another option, so warranty 2, and that would be a 2-year warranty, and that could be say 375. And you can add a third, 550, let's say. You can choose various highlights to go alongside the options. So this one might be the most popular. You might want to let people know that this one's the best value, and then you can simply save changes. If you have checkout selected, then it will let the customers choose between 3 options themselves. So now that we've got that product saved, when we create an invoice, you can quickly find it in the add product section. And because we've created the options, you can choose whether it's a 1, 2, or 3-year warranty that we're adding to the invoice. You can view all your products in sales products here, so you can see that new one we've added. In the example I gave, we used the single options type, but there's also multiple. So for example, if we're adding vehicle protection services as a new product, and we have all these options here, you can require them to select a minimum of 3. This can be for bundling products together or for offering a special bulk deal. So now when you add this particular product to an invoice, you'll see that it requires a minimum of 3 to be selected.